how to play multiplayer in Bonelab Quest 2. Now, in this video, I'm going to show you a couple of steps or methods for you to be able to play multiplayer on Bonelab Quest 2. Now, Bonelab Quest 2 does not actually have a supported or official multiplayer mode by the developers. What you want to have to do is use a certain mod that you need to download on your end and as well as the friend that you would like to play with. Now, use up any web browser available on your end and simply type in Bonelab multiplayer mod. Now, there's going to be a lot of resources here, but the legitimate resource that you can get it from is into Thunderstore. Simply choose on Bonelab multiplayer mockup, and there's two specific files that you need to download first before using it. You need to download Mod Manager first and click this manual download so that you can download the separate file of Bonelab multiplayer mockup. And that is how you play Bonelab multiplayer in Quest 2.